Hello, everybody. Just a casual night off of work, and I did manage to make a flag purchase off of eBay. Let's go ahead and open this guy and see what's in there. Alright. So, you can see is a Thai national flag. It's like, okay, so it's a Thai national flag, it's a current flag. What's the big deal about this? Don't focus on that, but focus on this. This is called the Duralite. It is a specialty fabric that is almost like a nylon kind of flag that was made by the Dettra Flag Company. It is one of the oldest flag companies that was inside the United States. The reason why I say was is that they went out of business and they were purchased by Annan, the top flag manufacturer in the United States, about in the mid to late 1990s. So this company does not exist anymore. Sorry about that. Yeah, I just got done fighting COVID, so my voice is still kind of rough. But as you can see on the header, it'll say Duralite, the fabric material. So it's 95% nylon, 5% other fibers, made in the United States, 3 by 5 feet, which is the typical flags you will see on top of like government buildings, schools, shopping centers. It's one of the most common sizes you can get in the US, besides a 2 by 3 foot. And then, of course, it has a tag that says made in the United States because it's required by law, no matter if it's a US flag or a foreign flag. And you can kind of notice here too, the shade of blue is like very light, almost like if you see for a European color. The set color for the Thai national flag was not standardized until a couple of years ago, and they eventually went with a CIE color tone, which is very common to be used in a lot of Asian countries. I know Sri Lanka was using it until very recently. I know India is using it. I know South Korea has it. I know some Japanese flags will use either CIE or Munsol for their color codes. So it's not often that CIE is used, but that's what they went with Thailand. And with prototypical American flags, they come with the Grommet system, so you can see like this is how we host our flags. And even though with it being a symmetrical design, where you can easily flip it upside down, the way that I tend to look at flags such as like Thailand, Costa Rica, anything that has a design that looks the same no matter if you flip it upside down. If you look at the stitching back over here, and also the label will be on the closer towards the host, to where you can know how to display it properly. So if you kind of like have your flag posted like this and don't see the header, you need to flip it upside down. Now, with this being a flag company that does not exist anymore inside the United States, it's automatically a collector's item, no matter if the flag was manufactured in the 90s or in the 70s. I personally paid roughly between 18 to 20 US for this. I think the flag was 12 and the shipping was 5, but I have seen other flags from this manufacturer on eBay right now that usually would go sometimes between $25, sometimes up to $80 or $90. And if it's a more historical design, like your 48 star, your Rare 49, or any kind of national flag does not exist anymore, like I've seen like the 7-star Venezuela on eBay recently, to where they can easily go for $60, $70, $80, or even $100, just because of the fact that this company does not exist anymore. Besides that, there's really no prominence to this flag. It wasn't flown anywhere. I assumed it was just old stock that someone's trying to get rid of, which sometimes does happen. Because there was some of the flag stores that I go to near my home, like about 2 hours away. There's a flag store in Branson, Missouri. There's times that they're trying to get rid of the old stock. They're trying to reduce those, or if you go to some other flag manufacturers like CRW, which is an online shop and a physical shop based in Maryland, you can get a lot of old stock flags for cheap because government offices can't use it. So it's more for collectors or for expats and things like that. I hope this video finds all you guys well, and I will talk to you guys a little bit later with regards to the progress of the flag contest that I am sponsoring on Instagram. I'll talk to you guys soon.